I hope it will be another successful Open, just as successful as the other previous Open we attended. And good luck to all. Happy going.
Matagal nung una-una ng Open sa Pilipinas. 42 years na yan. Mas matanda kaysa PBC Open. PBC is 38 years lang. Tsaka marami sinasali sa MTB Open. More or less sa 300 members.
I would like to congratulate the organizers of MTB Open. Successful ito. Today yung ating opening ceremony.
Okay. In behalf of the Manila Central Motion Association, we would like to welcome all participants to the 42nd MTBA Open, and we hope that all moments will be and have a
sana po sumali kayo this year's 42nd MTBA Open held here in
Thank you po.
On behalf of the MTBA and as the tournament director of the MTBA, I'd like to welcome everyone to join and participate in the 42nd MTBA Open. It's open format by team, by doubles, and also the Open Masters, and also included the Youth Masters for the Youth 20 and below. Hope to see you here and enjoy. Qualifying for Youth Masters will end on Friday kasi ang Youth Masters Finals will be on Saturday, but the Open Masters, the qualifying will be until May 8, 4 p.m. May 8 ng gabi. Okay, so yeah, everyone is invited to join.
Okay, maraming tournament na masasalina ng team. I hope sana yung playing condition ay papattern nila sa mga pattern for international competition kasi para at least masanay natin.
Well, first of all, welcome to the 42nd MTBA Open, and congratulations to the organizers for holding or hosting this tournament. So every year naman, MTBA hosts a fine tournament with a lot of participation from the tournament.
For and on behalf of the Board of Directors, sponsors, officers, and the Executive Committee of this affair, my sincere appreciation for your participation and support. The pleasure of serving you is ours. Thank you and good afternoon to all.
We congratulate MTBA President Jackson Cole and his fellow officers and members for organizing this tournament. We enjoin you to continue promoting the sports of bowling and supporting the Philippine Bowling Congress in its various projects and activities. With that, I wish everyone good luck and Godspeed. Let us play fair and always remember to have mabuhay and God.
The Manila Philippine Bowling Association presents this plaque of appreciation to Mr. Nitoy Tamayo, President of the Philippine Bowling Congress, for his invaluable support to the association as guest of honor of the 42nd MTBA Open, given this first day of May in the year of our Lord 2010. Signed, Jackson Cole, President of MTBA.
May we please stand up and raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the participants of the 42nd MTBA Open Championship, pledge to uphold the rules of 10-pin bowling
in the name of good sportsmanship and wholesome competition, to uphold the spirit of humility and victory and nobility in defeat, to be true and honest to values of camaraderie and fair play, to participate in the sport as a humble student of life, learning and practicing the virtues that make us brothers and sisters, friends and allies, not only in bowling, but especially in the broader arena of humankind. So help me God.
First of all, can we call on our President, Mr. Jackson Ko of MTBA, PBC President, Mr. Nitoy Tamayo, PBC Executive Vice President, Mr. Jaime Michalco, Mr. Tony Nam, PBC Director, MTBA Director, and our defending champion, Ian Cantana.
Ah!